Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to make your Duolingo account public. Right, so if you make your Duolingo account public, people will be able to find you on Duolingo and follow your account. So if that's what you want, then let's get started. Right, so all you have to do is to go to duolingo.com. You have to go to a browser. You can actually do this on the app, so go to a browser, duolingo.com, and once you are on the browser, once you are on duolingo.com, log into your account, and then you'll land on your dashboard. So from here you see all these options at the left hand side of your screen, and you notice this more option right here. Tap on settings. All right, so once you do that, at the left hand side, you'll notice all these other options right here. Sorry, at the right hand side, you'll notice all these other options, and you have to click on privacy. Alright, so after clicking on privacy, you'll get these two options: to make your profile public and to personalize ads. So go ahead and check the first box, which is make my profile public. So once you do that, click on save at the top right corner, and that will be saved. So that's how you can actually do it. That's how you can make your profile public on Duolingo so that people can find and follow your accounts. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.